Alright people, I got a BMW 335i with a defective convertible switch. I just bought a new one from the dealer. It was only $10 more than an aftermarket, so I figured for 10 bucks I'm going to get the original part. So I'm going to show you how to change it out. Should be pretty straightforward here. Hopefully this new switch works. So I got to start my car so I can move it into drive. I already got my parking brake on. Into drive. Shut the car off. And to remove the handle, you simply push in on the button and you yank it straight up, like so. And that's all there is to it. You remove the boot. There's a couple switch clips, and then there's a couple wires that need disconnecting here. So this will pull right out, and this one pulls right out. Set that aside. There's also a wire right under here that I'm gonna have to remove. So we gotta lift the console, and then you just kind of yank up right on here, like that. And the console, there's a wire for the switch here. You gotta pull that out. And I'd like you to watch my other video on the hack to emergency close the roof or open with a bread twisty. I've already done that video. So this is basically gonna come out. You can unplug this here by going like that, and you got the whole console out and about. So I'm gonna use a T20 torque screwdriver, and I'm gonna basically take these 4 off of here and put the new switch on. There we go. It's the old one. There's the new one. Goes like so. Check. Looks okay before I tighten it. Looks correct. I have to thank my lovely assistant, Jennifer, who I'm actually gonna marry in like a few days. It's now Tuesday, and we're getting married on Saturday, so we're kind of excited for that. So now I'm basically reversing the process and plugging everything back in. So there's that switch. Put the switch in for the top. There we go. Clicked in nice. Pound that in. Clip 1. Clip 2. sure the boots on are good. Alright, seated nice. Put the handle back on. Take it out of park. Hey, my roof is opening. Get a shot of that. New working switch. For only $75 at the BMW Steeler. Well worth it though. And there we go. Job complete. Time for some tunes.